So what do we have here? Yep, it is part 6 of the G8 modification videos, and I know it's been ages since I made a video. Look, I don't even know if I can talk anymore. Well, I am talking. Now, it's a little windy out here, so I'm hoping that the camera's not picking that up. But there's been some developments with the car. Basically, we had to move it to another shop due to some unforeseen circumstances. So she's over with Dan and Justin in their new facility right now. Things are actually happening to it right now. I had to order some new headlights, so I ordered them from Australia. Not seen any of them here in the US, so hopefully might be one of a kind. I'm sure there's some here somewhere. But yeah, so we're about to head over to the shop now and see what's going on. I know they've got sound going to the speakers and stuff now, and the amp and all that hooked up. So yeah, anyway, we'll see you over there. Here we are over in Indiana, and there she is. So look at this space. So yeah, gonna jump in the car now with Dan, and he's gonna show us the sound system.
All my friends are heathens, take it slow. Wait for them to ask you who you know. Please don't make any sudden moves. You don't know the half of the abuse. All my friends are heathens, take it slow. Wait for them to ask you who you know. Please don't make any
That's it. It's nice. Console is all painted, ready to go. So basically now Dan can get the head unit squared away and get it all installed, get the gauges in. It's nice. Got the LED fog lights in for the bumper, and then got the Batwing splitter installed. Got this from G8 only, good old Joe. Have a look at that. Alright guys, so that's going to be it. I forgot to tell you guys, this is the 200th video that's going on my channel. 200. It's pretty bloody crazy, I think. But anyway, it's just a short one today, just a bit of an update. It should be finished maybe in a week or two, but I just got to get those headlights from Australia. My buddy Chris in Australia had to get them shipped to his house, and then he's shipping them to me. So that's it. But if you like the video, give it a like, subscribe, and you know what? There'll be more. Peace.